In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for project management. If you're new to Jira or just looking to refine your project management skills in this powerful tool, you've come to the right place. So let's dive right in and get started. The first step in this process is to open up Jira and navigate to the section labeled Your Work. This is essentially your hub within Jira, where you can access all of your assigned tasks, recent activity, and important notifications. If you haven't explored this area before, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This step is crucial because it serves as the launching pad for all your project management activities in Jira. Once you're in your work, you'll want to shift your focus over to the Projects tab. By clicking on this tab, you'll be directed to a page where all your ongoing projects are listed. It's like having a dashboard for all your current and previous projects, providing you a bird's eye view of everything you are working on. If you're handling multiple projects simultaneously, this feature helps keep you organized by showing you project updates, deadlines, and tasks all in one place. Now that you have an overview of your projects, it's time to create a new project. To do this, you'll want to look for and click on the button that reads Create Project. This action opens up a new window or setup guide, which will help you initiate a fresh project in Jira. This is your gateway to starting a management workflow that suits your specific needs and objectives. In this new project setup, you're given several options for customizing the project based on your requirements. The next step you'll want to follow is to click on Work Management. This option allows you to choose between different template types tailored to various kinds of workflows. The focus here is on work management because it provides a structured framework essential for managing team tasks and activities efficiently. After selecting work management, your next task is to choose the project management template option. The templates in Jira are designed to make your life easier by providing preset columns and workflow rules which are based on proven project management practices. Selecting the project management template sets you up with an organizational structure optimized for tracking and completing tasks. Once you've chosen your template, you'll be prompted to name your project. Picking an appropriate name is more important than you might think. Ideally, the project name should reflect the purpose or the main deliverable of the project. This aids not only you but also your team members in quickly identifying the project and understanding its goal without needing to sift through all the details every time. Finally, the last step in this initial setup phase is to click on Create Project again. This action commits all those settings and configurations you just meticulously set up, thereby initiating your new project in the Jira environment. Once you hit that button, your project becomes live and visible within your project portfolio in Jira. It's important to note that while this walkthrough covered the basics of setting up a project in Jira, there's much more you can do within each project to tailor it to specific needs, such as adding team members, setting permissions, assigning tasks, and much more. Pay attention to the options available under the project settings. They can provide additional layers of customization, ensuring the tool works exactly how you want it to. As you become more comfortable with setting up and managing projects, you might find yourself using some of the more advanced features of Jira. These could include incorporating third-party integrations, automating repetitive tasks with rules, setting up dashboards, and customizing workflows. Each of these features can significantly streamline your project management processes. Remember, like any tool, Jira has a learning curve. However, once you get the hang of it, it becomes an invaluable part of your project management toolkit. It's built to help manage projects more trackably and transparently, which is a win-win for both individual contributors and team leads. So that wraps up our introductory guide on how to use Jira for project management. I hope you found this helpful and that it gave you a good starting point for diving into project management with Jira. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more instructional content. Until next time.